Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the location preferences in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we want to do is simply change our location preferences. At the bottom left, here's a button like this that says nearby. Simply click on it and this will open up. From here, let's simply go to preferences. The button's at the top right, click on it. Then the section will open up. Right here, you will see something like location. Click on this tab right here, then input any location that you wish. I'm gonna select this location right here. And once everything's okay, let's simply hit on apply filter. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change your location preferences in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.